The crack is getting worse and it's damaging my property. It needs to be repaired. It needs to be repaired.
That's another statement. What's your question?
My question is, I need to, my lease states that I can go in and make repairs with a 24-hour notice. So she's going against my lease by not allowing me to go in.
Okay, once again, a statement. You asked, can I ask you a question?
So can I ask the court to enforce my lease? Can I ask the court to enforce my lease?
You can ask the court to do whatever you want. Whether they do it or not becomes a whole other issue.
Even though it's damaging my property. Did you pay the DTE bill that was subject to shut off? As a landlord, they sent me a shut off notice.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Why do I keep getting comments from you and not questions?
Okay, the question was, did you pay the DTE bill that was subject to shut off?
Answer.
Do you plan to keep the home above 50 degrees this winter as required by the lease? Are you aware that repairs due to your negligence are your responsibility?
The screen is on the checklist. The lines are fixed. The oil settings are barely visible.
But they're still there.
Just going to argue with her.
Are you aware that these repairs must be completed before the next Pittsfield Township rental inspection, May 26, to maintain certification? Are you aware that smoking is prohibited in the lease? Will you permit monthly inspections by the landlord? Do you understand that if smoke odor is detected and smoke damage is documented, repainting and remediation of the entire home may be required at an estimated cost of approximately $10,000?
What, really? Where does that come from?
3,000 square feet will cost.
Where does that come from?
I've been quoted $10,000 to paint that house.
By whom?
Contractor.
I don't know anybody named Contractor.
Nicholas Blake, licensed contractor.
Is he here to testify?
No.
Then I don't want any questions about any quote he's given.
Okay.
That's hearsay.
Are there 3 children residing at the property? Do you understand that the lease prohibits public nuisance and requires you to supervise children? Did you install an exterior camera without written consent of the landlord?
Yes, but I need to obviously intent. And also the first 4 days, if you had no problems with the cameras. So what's the problem?
I didn't authorize installation. I never said I didn't. No, I just said, oh,
She did.
can I ask this question?
I don't know.
I know I'm upsetting you. I'm sorry, sir.
You're not upsetting me.
I'm not a
You're
lawyer.
wasting my time,
Okay.
but you're not upsetting.
Okay, you were residing somewhere else that you didn't put on the application as your current address. By Maplehurst, they started eviction proceedings in January of 25.
You asked her whether or not she disclosed an eviction.
Yeah, did
On
you?
the application, does it indicate, have you been evicted?
Yes.
All right. At the point in time she applies, has she been evicted? That case had not concluded. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Then if you're saying that she misled you, your question is bad.
Well, but she,
It has been all this morning.
okay, but she didn't disclose where her address
You
was.
with me?
No, honey, do you regularly monitor or respond to your phone you listed on your application? I guess that would be no, because,
Well, are you going to answer it or are you going to let her
okay,
answer?
It's fine. You just make a hot message.
you falsified the application, so you committed,
That's a conclusion.
if she said her current address,
A conclusion. Get to your next question.
do you admit that the address you provided on your application was false? Do you understand that providing false information on rental application is considered fraud?
Well, don't answer that. That's a legal conclusion.
I've been doing my Google searches, sir, and this is what I,
Well, then bring Google.
was I
You
given,
know what?
I'm just asking.
You know what? You know what? I'll tell you what. I'm taking a break. You get your questions in order, and you understand how to address this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Have a seat. You may step down or just. You may be seated. Ms. Lyman, why don't you come on back up and continue your question?
Thank you, sir. Had I known about your prior rental history, I would not have rented my home to you.
She can't answer that. That's you.
Would you agree that my decision to rent to you was based on information you provided that was not?
Can't answer that. That's you.
Okay.
As to the form of your question.
Are you aware that using someone else's address without permission is considered fraud under Michigan law?
No, she can't answer that. You're asking for a legal conclusion.
Did you understand that this could lead to criminal or civil penalties?
She can't answer that.
Do you admit your use of Arlington Drive was unauthorized? Can you explain why the following damages are present after you took occupancy? What about the broken master bedroom blinds, oil stains in the driveway, and broken rear screen door?
The real screen on the checkbook. I just want to say that I noticed there's a here the screen door really was on the checklist.
The screen door was.
I heard you.
So you're not going to repair this?
I'm off the screen door. If she says it's on the checklist and you're saying it's not on the checklist and there's damage to that, that's going to have to be dealt with at some other point. It's not to be dealt with here. She's answered the question about the screen door. Go on.
Do you understand that the property cannot pass inspection next year, May 26, unless these repairs are made?
It's irrelevant. Irrelevant. Next question.
Okay. Do you see that having unlisted occupants and unsupervised children could put the property of the residents in your tenancy at risk?
No.
Unsupervised children?
Yes.
They were running in the street, sir, and the neighbors complained that they almost hit one.
Then how does that put her tenancy at risk?
Oh, I thought it.
You have children? Okay, so hold on. So I don't even understand where that question might even go. To the question.
There was a police report that kids were running around unsupervised and CPS got involved.
Okay.
And I provided that to the court.
And so what does it matter if they're not her kids?
Okay, I'm not a lawyer. I'm trying my best, sir.
I can see that you're not a lawyer.
Forgive me.
I gotta ask you a question. I don't know how you're holding. Depending to try to hold her responsible if that aren't hers, if we haven't even established her kids that are guests of it.
I sent you a copy of the HOA vehicle policy for the neighborhood. Are you aware that the policy states that unregistered or inoperative vehicles are not permitted on the property?
You were next to the property, did you see?
No. I'm just.
Are there vehicles on the property?
No. This is.
Then why
Okay.
are you dealing with?
And you said it's hearsay about Maplehurst. So this next exhibit was all about Maplehurst. So you're saying that that's hearsay?
Ma'am, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Her prior residence. That was this next section, the damages to her prior residence. And that's
Damages to a prior resident, I don't know why that would be relevant to me. And I don't also understand that, I don't even understand how you're getting that in.
showing a history of destruction is relevant to my house and me being concerned. It shows why I'm concerned about my property.
Anything else?
Oh, so that's it for questions. I wanted to go over section. I had something for the court, but I'm done with asking questions of Ms. Lyman.
All right. Ms. Lyman, you'll have an opportunity to testify. You may step down. Any other witnesses for the plaintiff?
No, sir. Do I sit down, sir?
Pardon?
Do I sit down, sir?
You can sit down if you want.
Okay. Well, you're the boss.
I know. You ought to remember that.
I was going to wear a hat. I love Judge Simpson.
Is it true that you gave me verbal consent that I could get my $750 decline deposit back?
If the house is in the same condition,
May I get a written addendum of me getting my $750 decline deposit back?
No.
Why not?
if it's clean, then I'll give it back. It has to be clean. Floors are clean.
Can I just stop here? The $750 is listed as non-refundable, but you are indicating that it's refundable provided the conditions are.
To my satisfaction.
Well, ma'am, you're saying that it's still non-refundable?
It is dependent upon conditions and the reason.
I understand what I'm saying. At this point, you want to know what? You interrupt me, we're going to have a real issue. What I'm hearing at this point is that it is refundable. The conditions of that refund will wait to some other point in time, and there might be further litigation regarding it. I have the $750, and that $750 would be returned provided it is left in a clean condition.
The same condition I gave to her, meaning I don't have to hire someone.
Ma'am, I'm telling you what, your interpretation of landlord-tenant law is going to get you in trouble.
Is it true that I have not been able to enjoy my home due to you continuously harassing me?
No.
Is it true that you have the neighbors watching my home? Is that not what you stated inside text messages?
No.
Okay.
You did not say that you had people watching your home, Miss Anderson.
I started to watching the home.
Let me just ask this. Did you tell Miss Lyman that you had people watching the house?
Ever since the incident with,
Not my question. It's not a qualified answer. That's a yes or no.
yes,
Then why did you under oath just tell her no?
Well, they're currently not buying emails.
Well, that's not what she asked you. Why are you changing the answer that you just gave to Ms. Lime? No, I want to know why you changed it. She asked you the question.
If you,
You told her no. I asked you the question. You told me yes, you said it.
Is it true not only do you talk about me through text messages, you CC other people in my email that has nothing to do with them tarnishing my name?
I'm not trying to.
What does that mean?
Emails, a whole lot of stuff, and put people from the neighborhood that I don't even know or people that I never met in the emails of her saying certain stuff to me and falsified information on me.
Ms. Anderson, do you do that?
I've heard emails, including the neighbors, yes.
About Ms. Lyman?
Yes,
Why?
because they're telling me they're concerned about kids running on.
Was it only about the kids?
No, in email she has stated false things like crack pipes, that there's a rapist in the home, different stuff like that.
Did you, hold it, and I'm just going to remind you, you're under oath,
Yeah.
under penalty of perjury. Did you say things that directly indicate that there may be drug use
Yeah.
and or a rapist in the home?
Yes, because I want to look up this. You know, Mr. Lyman, he had a criminal history, extensive criminal history.
Why?
Plus, I wanted to alert the neighbors. I didn't do a criminal background check, and so I had to look it up online. This particular uncle had a infraction.
Was the address listed, Ms. Lyman's address?
No, the uncle.
And you sent that to Ms. Lyman's neighbors?
Yes. Because they were concerned who was living there and what's going on.
Of course, being racist. Well, Ron, that's mine.
There's no links to it.